y equals e to the x all over 1 plus x squared, and we want to find the equation of a tangent line at the point 1 comma 1/2 e. Okay, it's very important to always check to see if the point is even on the curve. So if I input 1, e to the 1 is e, 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So I have e over 2, which is the same thing as 1/2 e. So this point is on the curve. So I know this so far. Y minus 1/2 e is equal to x minus 1, and I just need a slope right here. Well, I'm going to do that by finding the derivative and inputting 1. Okay, so since this is a quotient, I'm going to use the quotient rule. My u is e to the x. My u prime is e to the x. My v is 1 plus x squared. My v prime is 2x. My v squared is 1 plus x squared squared. Okay, so the derivative, y prime, is equal to that product, e to the x, 1 plus x squared, minus that product, 2x e to the x, all over 1 plus x squared squared. Now, it's just waiting for an input of 1. So let's do this. 1 squared is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2e. Okay, minus, plug 1 in here. When I plug in 1 here, I have 2e all over 4. Well, I have 0 over 4, which is 0. So my slope is 0. 0 times this is 0, so y equals, if I move this over, 1/2 e.